Now let's try about the heptagon, finding the sum of triangles. Formula is the sum equals n is the number of sides, then minus 2 times 180 degrees. N is heptagon, we have 7 sides, so we have 7 minus 2 times 180 degrees. Then 7 minus 2, we have 5 times 180 degrees. So 180 times 5, we have 0. 5 times 8 is 40. 5 times 1, 5 plus 4 is 9. So we have 900 degrees. So I do the same, 900 degrees equal. Now let's find about the octagon. Finding the octagon, so this is 180 degrees. Octagon is 8 sides, so the sum n is we have the 8 minus 2 times 180 degrees. So 8 minus 2 is 6 times 180 degrees. So 180 times 6, we have 0. 8 times 6 is 48. 6 times 1 is 6 plus 4 is 10. So the answer is 1080 degrees. So that's the sum of the octagon. Now let's try about the nonagon, finding the sum of the nonagon. Let's try sum equals, since nonagon is 9 sides, we have 9 minus 2 times 180 degrees. 9 minus 2, we have 7 times 180 degrees. So 180 times 7, 0, and this is 56. 7 times 1 is 7, plus 5 is 12. So the answer is 1260 degrees. Finding the sum of the measure of the nonagon. Okay, so now let's try finding the sum of the triangles of the decagon. Decagon, and now sum, the measure of the sides of the decagon is 10. So we have 10 minus 2 times 180 degrees. 10 minus 2, we have 8 times 180 degrees. Now just multiply 180 times 8. There 0, 8 times 8 is 64. 8 times 1, 8 plus 6 is 14. So the answer is 1440 degrees. Is the final answer. This one is the correct answer for that time. Okay. Now let's try to find the value of x. This one. So tingnan natin kung how many sides is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 9 sides. So since this is 9 sides, so we have the 9 sides, we have from 9 sides, ang total ng kanyang sum of the triangles, so balikan natin, is 1260. Since this is 9 sides, balikan natin, ang total niya, sum niya is 1260. 60 degrees. So, kailangan lang natin i-add to. Lahat sila i-add natin. Then, minus natin siya sa 1,260 degrees. So, 135 degrees plus 125 degrees plus 130 degrees plus 172 plus 200 plus 140 plus 102 plus 98. The total of this. And measure. Ang sagot nun ay may measure natin sa 1,260 degrees. So just add 10, 11, 12, 17, 22. Let's check. Ito ay 12. 12 plus 10, you have 22. You have carry. Now, next, 2 plus 3, 5, 6, 7, 10, 17, 21, 30. So, you have 30. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So, you have 1,102. Ang pinaka-total natin. But, check natin kung ito ay tama pa rin. So, 10, 17, 22, yan naman. Check to. And the second, 9 plus 13, 14. Ito ay 13, 20, 3, 35, 30. Check to. And last is 1, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So, 1,102 for that. Okay. Ngayon ay ma-minus naman natin sa sum ng no number. So, 1,200, 1,000, palitan ko lang ng kulay. So, 1,260 degrees minus 1,102. Close natin to. Barahin na natin. Let's solve. So, pwede rin to para hindi na tayo magkaroon ng borrow. Just minus both sides by 1. 1,260 is become 1,259 and become 1,101. Yan. Para wala na tayong borrow na magaganap. Tapos na to. Now let's try to solve. This is 8, this is 5, this is 1. So the answer is 158 degrees. Okay, so para ma-check mo, i-add mo to lahat. I-add mo lahat to. Kailangan ang total nila is, ang total nila lahat ay 1,260. Okay? Now, let's try find the value of x. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the pentagon. To find the sum of this ay kailangan yung i-add yung sum of this pentagon. The sum. But let's try to solve this in one part.